In the world of BIM, data quality is the key to success. But how can this complexity be turned into opportunity? SAVAP automates and standardizes the quality control process, saving precious time and increasing accuracy. Dive into the world of business intelligence and compare different projects with just a few clicks. SAVAP democratizes BIM data quality control. Even without technical skills, you can harness data analysis. Customize your checks with flexible templates. SAVAP adapts to your needs, offering a more versatile solution. SAVAP continually evolves, automatically integrating the latest features and updates. SAVAP integrates with your project management ecosystem, forming a holistic approach to construction. Redefine the standard of data quality control for smarter, more effective construction. Join the SAVAP revolution. Turn complexity of BIM data into your greatest asset.